How to overcome sexual anxiety in the bedroom. Playing. How does shockwave therapy for erectile dysfunction work? Medication for erectile dysfunction. Easy ways to reverse erectile dysfunction. What drugs treat erectile dysfunction most effectively? Treatment for impotence with watermelon. Erectile dysfunction treatment although you're diabetic. And high blood pressure, how do they relate? Dr. Vasan SS, Manipal Hospital. Erectile dysfunction, natural miracle treatment that works. A potent new product called Red Boost is meant to boost male sexual health.
For erectile dysfunction.
IMG it stands out from other solutions because it goes at the recently identified fundamental reason of men's inability to. You and your lover can have the benefit of the fruits of the astonishing new hardness and stamina of your younger years yet again by optimizing operation of your smooth muscles due to the uncommon, potent ingredients in Red Boost. Need more information? Just click onto my bio. Here https://deneural.com/surfate. Dr. Vasan SS, Manipal Hospital.